Hey everybody, going to be trying out doing some podcasts here and going to help you out leveraging your Alteryx. How many of you out there have got spreadsheets where you get a text file and what you find is that it comes in a whole bunch of different fashions and doesn't really look like something that you would stick in a spreadsheet. So that's what we're going to talk about here today. We've got a little exercise from the Alteryx website and community. It's a weekly challenge from 4 or 5 years ago, but it's a starter challenge. And what it is you've got some data that comes in and it looks like this that you see here. And what you want it to look like is something that you would put in a spreadsheet, just like that. And so we're going to work on that transformation. So I have already done the workflow, and so I'm simply going to be walking you through what it is that I did in order to change this into this. First thing we do out here is we pull in a tool, the text to columns, and you can find that in the Parse menu. And in that, we're going to split it out into 3 different columns. And when you do this, you take a look at it, and in this case, we're using a delimiter of a comma. And you can see that in here. And there's a comma there, and a comma there, and a comma there, and a comma there. And so when it comes out of the tool, it comes in looking like this, and it comes out with 3 columns looking like that. Now, along with this, we've got these parentheses, or the quotes, the double quotes, not parentheses. And so you're going to want to clean those up and get rid of them. The number is fine. And then you're going to want to change this formatting over here. So the first thing we do is we come in here, we drop a formula tool, and we do a regex replace. So we do, and this is right here, we're doing field, this is now field 1, 2, and 3. We're looking at field 1, and you got the single quotes, and you're getting rid of that double quote, and you're leaving it with nothing. Same thing with field 3. You're getting rid of a single quote and you're leaving it with nothing. So when it comes out the other side of that, what you get is looking like this. Now the last part of it, before we finish up, is going to be changing a string, because right here, this date isn't in the format that is the standard Alteryx format. And so what you've got is you come down here, you pull this in. This is again from the Parse tools. You bring it in and you tell it, what is the format that I'm going to be seeing this? This is what it looks like right now. Right here, this 3, right? And it comes in the 2-day, 3-month, 2-year with a dash in the middle format. And what comes out, and you can call it, you can give it a name right there, poem date. What comes out is that right there. And then this is merely a select, and the only thing we're doing is deselecting that field 1, and we're renaming this a poem ID, and we rename, well, we can actually delete that. And we've got a poem date here because we set that back at this one. And when we run this, voila, we take that nasty, scrambled up single piece of string data and we turn it into a nice little 3-column tabular format. Let me know if you got any questions. I'm going to be doing these broadcasts, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hope to see you again on the next one.